Good morning students. Today we are going to do Northern Plains. In previous video I have told you about the Northern Mountains, and in this video we are going to do about Northern Plains. Northern Plains are lowlands to the south of Himalayas. These plains are very fertile as they are watered by the rivers coming down from Himalayas. You can see here in this map that towards the south of the Himalayas is the northern plains. All the orange part you see in this map is covered with the northern. Northern plains are formed from the rivers coming down from Himalayas. On the way down to the plains, rivers break off and carry away rocks. Further, rocks break and broken pieces form the alluvial soil. You can see in the picture that the river flowing down to the plains, leaving behind the rocks or the particles of rocks and forming a land around it. Main rivers of India are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus and their tributaries. You can see here in the map river Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. And here in this map you can see river Indus and its tributaries. Now what is a tributary? Tributary is a river that joins a large river. You can see here in the picture that a small river coming down from the Himalayas and joining the big river or the large river. So the small river which is coming down is called a tributary, and when it joins the large river it becomes part of that river. And further, when the river distribute into different streams, what do we call it? We call it distributary. Distributaries are formed when rivers break into small streams. You can see there that the river is breaking down into smaller rivers and forming the deltas. So those rivers are called distributaries, and they also form deltas. River Ganga forms the world's biggest delta, that is Sundarban Delta, before it flows down into the sea. You can see there in the picture that it's forming the world's biggest delta. See here, life in the northern plains. So you can see that life in the northern plains is not much difficult, and we can grow a lot of crops there, as we all also live in the plains, so we can understand that what type of life do the people live. People can grow rice, wheat, sugarcane, millets, jute and maize. It's very easy to build roads and railways and buildings on a flat land, so many people like to live on plains. There are many large cities in the plains: Delhi, Amritsar, Kolkata, Varanasi, Lucknow. So you can see that all these places are there in plains, and it is not much difficult to live on these places. So many people live there and they like to live there. Now we are going to start with Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. It lies in northwestern part of India. You can see here in the map the area where does it lie, and it has dry and sandy soil. So when the soil blows away with the very strong winds, it forms sand dunes, and sand dunes keep moving from one place to another. They are not stable. As there is very less water found in desert, so it is very difficult to grow crops, and only few plants grow near the oasis. You can see here that very few plants grow in a desert, and near the oasis few plants grow, and there is little bit greenery, and date palm also grows near the oasis. Indira Gandhi Canal. It has changed the life of people in Rajasthan, because with the help of this canal they are able to give water to their crops, and they can grow many crops now. Mostly grown crops are wheat and paddy. Camel is the most important animal in the desert. Why so? Because camel is mostly used in the desert. Camel is used for transportation and for growing crops in the farms. Camel has different characteristics from other animals. That is why it can live easily in desert. It has padded feet to walk on sand. It can live without water for many days and store food in its hump. It has long eyelashes which protect its eyes from sand. People in desert live in mud houses. You can see the mud houses here in the picture, and they have small doors and small windows so that hot air do not enter their houses and the house remains cold from inside. There are many big cities in Rajasthan. Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Jodhpur are some famous cities there. Many tourists every year go there to see the desert and its beautiful cities and the forts made by the kings over there. So, thank you for that and wait for the next video. The next part of this chapter will be in the next video. Thank you.